faithless. People hide behind keyboards and screen names remain faceless. Run up on your IP address, give you a facelift. Reported to the public, got the nerve to call me tasteless. You envious, they envious, your envy here is baseless. Surprised to see a black man with tatted hands that's caseless. Grab your purses, the elevator making wiggers nervous. You scared, I'm sure your church is holding service. So what's the plan, yo? You still trying to be the king of your city, ruler of your region, to every crowd appeasing. You change with the seasons, your dish needs seasoning. I'm worried about when us black folk will breathe again. We feeding in, got us right where we need to be. Pull a curtain back, show you what you need to see. But most of us is Stevie Wonder to the realness. Only the real ones gon' really feel this. Listen. We listen to these songs as the days go by. Put something in my cup, I'm just trying to get by. I turn my TV on, I just hear a bunch of lies. God help us all, we just trying to get by. I wanna be, we need to be, I'm trying to be.
Listen, I just wanna lay my heart and soul up on this shit. Get into my feelings, put all of my dealings on the table, I don't care. Show you that it's real, it ain't a fable that I share. Apollo blessed me with a track to try to make y'all care. Searching for my muse, but he eluded me with blues. I freaked the fresh verse from the hues, man. A superhero, but I'm still half human. And my life won't let me forget, like what you doing. Oh, your hands full? Well, here's a little more. I flipped it and used it for inspiration on my tour. So now I'm on the stage having full-blown therapy. I'm in Romania, like, check out my melody. And I'm getting paid for it. And I got life to thank for it. Yeah, I drive a Mustang, but my pay for it. It's like the verses kept changing with the same chorus. Vision got bigger, good life, I was made for it.
We listen to these songs as the days go by. Put something in my cup, I'm just trying to get by. I turn my TV on, I just hear a bunch of lies. God help us all, we just trying to get by. I wanna be, we need to be.
Yeah, this is it right here. Sit to express grace. Separate the weaker niggas is the less weight. Fuck how y'all feel. Y'all cowards now fucking with real. I return like McGrady got love for the pill. Let's get it poppin'. I move like a nigga coppin'. I know the stress from the streets when I was kitty poppin'. Playing in the corners, face to face with the faces of mourners. It's hard to trace the informants until it's too late. Take place on my borners, the focus is back. I play a part in this culture of rap. Once a week, so I relate on how these vultures attack. Vippin' and funnin', double park, vippin' up summons. How many niggas hitting twin sisters and flipping their cousins? Call it finesse, the game give it all I possess. Nothing changed, I'm a ball to the death. Sit my head. Spirit of Marcus Garvey, Farrar Muhammad, Mega Evans and Bob Marley. I'm God body. The scripture says I lost inside me. Show love, I was hugged by the arms of Gandhi. Gave me my strength. You could tell somebody raised me with sense. We all need something to help us through our daily events. Bear with me, the toughest niggas dead quickly. No lie, Pop still crying, he near 50. Freedom or death. Right. I give niggas a reason to sweat. It's no test, verbally it's like I'm seen as the best. Who wanna try me? It defines me. Turn my mic up. Let's do it, Right. Show these cats how we do this here, nigga.
Oh yeah, just the 1 2 1 2. There's a little song for you.